Hi there, curious minds. In this session we will delve deeper into the subject of macroeconomics, specifically focusing on the topic of UK taxes. Let's get learning. Did you know, in the United Kingdom, an organisation known as the Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs or HMRC sets the tax rates? They play a crucial role in managing the tax laws for the UK and are responsible for collecting taxes. The revenue collected is then made available for the public benefit, funding key areas like healthcare, education, and infrastructure. In the UK, there are three primary taxes that you should be aware of. Firstly, there's income tax, which as the name suggests, is a tax on your earnings. We have national insurance contributions or NICs, too. These contributions are essentially taxes paid by workers and employers, primarily used to fund certain state benefits, including the state pension. Lastly, we have value-added tax or VAT, which is a type of consumption tax placed on a product whenever value is added at each stage of the supply chain, from production to the point of sale. An interesting aspect of the UK tax system is its progressive nature. What does that mean? Well, in a progressive tax system, the tax rate you pay increases as your income increases. This approach is designed to distribute the tax burden more equitably among individuals. So, the more you earn, the higher your rate of tax. To manage income tax and NICs, the UK utilizes a system known as PAYE, which stands for Pay as You Earn. Under this system, these taxes are automatically deducted from your wages or occupational pension before they are paid to you, making tax payment a seamless part of earning income. Looking globally, you might be wondering how the UK tax system compares to others, particularly the US. The UK and the US have similar tax systems, both using progressive tax structures. However, there is a key difference when it comes to the overall tax burden. UK taxpayers typically pay more taxes in total than their US counterparts. That wraps up our session. Remember, each day brings new learning opportunities. Until next time, stay curious.